Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I want to make a tutorial about Superlab 2. Superlab 2 Cisco CCNA 200 301 Superlab 2 by agunacourse.com. The topic is VLAN. We will configure this topology. In this topology, we will configure this VLAN, trunking, DHCP, DHCP, router on stick, switch, virtual SPI, AGRP, OSPF, mutual distribution, DNS, web server, and accesses. Okay. And for the first, we will configure the switch one. In this topology, part one is basic configuration. VLAN, part 2 VLAN trunking, switch 3, switch 4, router 3, configure VLAN trunking, switch 5, switch 6, source 1, and VLAN core switch 2, to the server, and then AGRP. Okay, AGRP and SPI. Mutual distribution. Okay. For the core switch one, we basic configuration for the switch one first. Enable, configure terminal, hostname. Don't forget the hostname. Hostname is switch one. Then enable secret. Cisco, right? Yeah, Cisco. After that, we add VLAN 10, and VLAN 10, and VLAN 20. Wah, gila, di Solo gua bajingan. VLAN 20. And then go to interface range FR 2 and 3, right? Okay, 2 and 3. 2, 3. Sorry. 3. And then switch port, mode access. Switch port, access VLAN 10, VLAN 10, sorry. Okay. And then go to interface FA4 to 5, Fast Ethernet 4 and 5, and switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Oh yeah, I forget spanning tree. Sorry, spanning tree. Spanning tree port face like this. Port face. Okay. And then we configure the route to the router interface, SSTernet first telnet 01, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed 10 allowed VLAN 10 and 20. Okay, and then we go to switch 2, enable, configure terminal, and then hostname, switch 2, and then enable secret, enable secret Cisco. Okay, in this, sorry, okay, sorry, I forgot to plug in my headset. Okay, we continue to configure the switch 2. In this switch we gonna add VLAN 13 and VLAN 14. VLAN 30 name VLAN 30, and then VLAN 40 name VLAN 40, and then we configure the interface range FA fast Ethernet 2 to 3 to 3 to 3, and then switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. Don't forget spanning tree port face. Okay, and then interface fast Ethernet range fast Ethernet 4 to 5, and then switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 40. Okay, VLAN 40. Don't forget spanning tree, spanning tree port face. Okay, and then we configure the fast Ethernet 01 because that's go to the router interface fast Ethernet 01, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed allowed 30 allowed VLAN 30 and 40. Okay, finish, and then after that we go to the switch 3, enable configure terminal and hostname, switch 3, enable secret, don't forget secret Cisco. Okay, in this switch we gonna configure the VLAN 50 and VLAN 60. Okay, wait a minute, is it recording? Yeah, recording. Okay, wait. Okay, VLAN 50 VLAN 50, name VLAN 50, VLAN 60, name VLAN 60. Okay, and then we configure the interface fast Ethernet 2 to 3. Oh sorry, I forgot to range FS3, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 50. Okay, and then fast Ethernet 4 to 5, I guess. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 60. Oh yeah, sorry, spanning tree. I forgot to add spanning tree. Okay, spanning tree, and then I forgot to add spanning tree. Okay, done. And then we uh, configure the route to the router and to the switch below interface fast Ethernet 01, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allowed VLAN 50 and 60. Okay, and then interface VLAN 6, sorry, 06, Western 06, switch port mode trunk and switch port trunk allowed VLAN 50. Okay, okay, and then we go to switch 4. We gonna add enable first, sorry, enable configure terminal. We basic configuration, don't forget hostname switch 4, and then enable secret is Cisco. Okay, after secret we add VLAN 50, and then name VLAN 50 and VLAN 60, name VLAN 60. Okay, and then each port we gonna configure the each port interface fast Ethernet 0 to, I guess, to 3. Yeah, right, 2 3. Oh yeah, range, don't forget range, and then switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 50. Don't forget spanning tree. Okay, and then switch port 4 to 5, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 60, spanning tree port face. Okay, oh yeah, and then go to fast Ethernet 1, switch port mode access, switch port mode trunk. Interface FA0/1 switch port mode trunk. Okay, and then we go to the switch 5 basic configuration. First, enable configure terminal, host name is switch 5, and then enable secret Cisco, and then we add the VLAN 70 and 80, VLAN 70, name VLAN 70, and VLAN 80, name VLAN 80. Okay, and then interface range was Ethernet 0/2, I guess. Go to 3, yeah, to 3. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 70, spanning 3 port face. Okay, and then I guess 4 to 5 port face Ethernet port to 4 to 5, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 80, spanning 3 port face. Okay, save. Yeah, and then go to interface face Ethernet 01, yeah, where's the 01, FA0/1. And then no shutdown, sorry, switch port mode trunk, and then switch port trunk allowed 70, allowed VLAN, sorry, allowed VLAN 70 and 80. Okay, and then we configure the switch 6, basic configuration switch 6, enable configure terminal, hostname switch 6, and then enable secret enable secret Cisco. Wait, after secret VLAN wait VLAN 70, 80 and 90. Okay, VLAN 70 first, 70, name VLAN 70, VLAN 80, name VLAN 80, and VLAN 90, name VLAN 90. Okay, and go interface FA23, I guess, 2 and 3, 2 and 3 and sorry, 2 and 3. This is 4 and 5. This is 7 and 6 and 7. Okay. Interface range. First Ethernet 0/2 to 3, and then switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 70. Okay, spanning 3 port face, and then fast Ethernet 4 to 5. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 80. Spanning 3 port face. Okay, and then 6 and 7. 6 to 7. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 90. Spanning 3 port face. Okay. Okay. And then interface fast Ethernet go to MLS is 0/1. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN 70, 80, and 90. Okay, done. And then we configure the this. Okay, VLAN enable. This is core switch 2. Configure terminal, and then hostname, don't forget hostname core switch 2, and then enable secret Cisco. Okay, we add the VLAN 100 ya. Wait, VLAN 100 100 VLAN 100, sorry. Okay, VLAN 100. Okay, 100 and spanning 3 port face. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. This is name VLAN 100. Okay. And then we configure the port 3 and 4. Fast Ethernet 3 and 4. Interface Fast Ethernet 3 to 4. Sorry, range switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 100. Okay, and then if we want the tools routing in the MLS multi-layer switch, we have to enable it first. Routing, we type the routing in MLS if we want to route the MLS routing is active. We type IP routing. Okay. Okay, done. And then okay, we go configure the core router to enable configure terminal hostname core router 2, and then after that enable secret Cisco. Okay. And we go to interface FA0/0, no shutdown, sorry, go to wait, point 10 to VLAN, and then we add the IP address. The IP address is IP address is the IP address. This is the IP address. Okay. 192.168.10.1 and the 10.1 and the subnet mask. Sorry, because this prefix 24, we at the last of subnet mask is 0. Okay, because host for 24 is 255. Okay. Okay, and then exit no, and then oh yeah, interface 20. Okay, IP address and 20.1 and the subnet mask, because same prefix 24, we add the 0. Okay. Okay, after that we go to interface and we add the DHCP pool for the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. DHCP pool VLAN 10. Okay, network is 10.0 and the subnet mask 0. Okay, and then default router is the gateway, is right there like this, and then DNS DNS server. DNS server is okay. DNS server is 102. Okay, and then IP DHCP pool for VLAN 20. Sorry, IP DHCP pool. Okay, network 20 0. The network address. Okay, and the default router is the gateway is 21. DNS is 102. Okay, Okay, and then we go to interface fast Ethernet 01, interface fast Ethernet 01, now shutdown, and then point 30. Okay, after that we add the IP address. IP address is because this is the VLAN 30. Oh, I forget. So sorry, I forgot to add the. Wait. After this. Okay. After this. After that, IP address, interface. Sorry, 40. Right, 40. 40, and then IP address is 41 0. Okay, after that we add the DSC pool, exit IP DSCP pool VLAN 30. The network is like this: 0, 55, 255, 255, 0. And then default router, the gateway is like this. Okay, and the NS is like this. Sorry. Okay, and then IP DHCP pool for VLAN 40. Sorry, I forgot the pool. Okay. Okay, after that network is like this: 255. We add the subnet mask, and then the default router DNS. Okay, then exit. I forgot to add the IP-DHCP exclude, DHCP exclude address. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then we add the serial 1 and 0 interface serial 1 0. Okay, IP address. Wait, no shutdown first, no shutdown, and then IP address is 10 2. Okay, the subnet mask is 255 255 252 because this prefix 30. Enter, and then okay, the core router 2 is done. We go to core router, sorry, core router 3. Okay, enable, configure terminal, hostname core router 3, enable secret Cisco. Okay, and then interface fast ethernet 0/0, no shutdown. Okay, fast ethernet 0/0 point, we add the address for the VLAN. Okay, we add 50. Okay, IP address, no shutdown, IP address with encapsulation dot 1q 50, and then after that we add the IP address. The IP address is like this, and then we go to fast ethernet point 60, and then encapsulation dot 1q 60, and then IP address 60. After that, accept IP DHCP pool for the PC for VLAN 50. Network is 50 0 255 255 0. Then the default router DNS, okay, and then IP DHCP pool for VLAN 60. IP DHCP pool for VLAN 60. Network 255.255.0. And then default router, the gateway, DNS, itu, okay. Done, and then exit IP DHCP exclude address. Okay, and 60.1, because this is the gateway for not gateway, I mean this is the for the for port gateway, like that. Okay, and then we go to interface SA01 and fast ethernet 0. Okay, interface serial 1/0, I guess. Yeah. And then no shutdown, IP address 10.10.10.6 55.255.252. Okay, and then interface fast Ethernet 0/1 0/1 ya 0/1 0/1 shut and then IP address 10.10.10 to 5 255 255 255 252. Okay, okay, we complete the configure the core router 3 and the address for the router to router, and then we go to core switch 1, enable, configure terminal, and then hostname core switch 1. After core switch 1, enable secret enable secret Cisco, and then we add the VLAN 70, 80, and 90. Okay, we go to interface 2 and 3 first. Interface because this is switch to switch we must add we configure the port to the trunk. Range facet 0 2 to 3. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port mode trunk. Okay, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, and then switch port mode trunk. Okay, after that we add the VLAN VLAN 70, name VLAN 70, and VLAN 80, name VLAN 80, and VLAN 90, name VLAN 90. Okay, and then we go to interface VLAN 70. We add the IP address is like this 70.1 55 to 55 sorry to 55 to 50. Okay, and then interface VLAN 80. IP address is 80.1 255 255 255 and then interface VLAN 90. IP address is 1 and 255 255 250. Okay, after that we gonna add the IP DHCP for the each client. Pull VLAN 70. This for VLAN 70 is network is like this 70 55 255 250, and then for VLAN 80 Oh, sorry. Okay, we continue. 80, and then the default router is 81 DNS. Okay, we go to VLAN 70 first. I forgot. Okay, network default router. Okay, and then DNS. Okay, after that we go to VLAN 90 IP DHCP pull network 255.255.255.0. Okay, and then default router. Okay, the gateway default router DNS. Okay, after that, after this we go to we add the IP address interface. First Ethernet 0/1. Okay, because this is MLS, if you want to add IP in port of MLS, we must this command first switch port, no switch port, and then IP address. We can add the IP address. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the IP DHCP exclude. IP DHCP exclude. Okay. IP routing. IP routing. Yeah, because this is MLS. I forgot. Okay. And then finish. We must we go to desktop IP. Wait. Wait, file. Okay, we go to this first. Okay. Okay, successful. Wait, why this is not successful? Um, wait. Okay, we go to enable Cisco. Cisco, and then configure terminal. Do show running config. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the encapsulation .1q interface, interface fa0 slash wait, I verification for this first. File. Okay, file. mm, 0.1 switch port, encapsulation, encapsulation .1q 10, and then 20 encapsulation 20, and then 30 okay, and then 40 okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the IP address. Wait, IP interface. Wait, okay, IP address. Okay, and then and then okay. Bismillah. Okay, dan I forgot to add the IP address before. Dan and dan wait, fail. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to I add the interface as Ethernet. Sorry. Okay, interface. Okay, no IP, no IP address, and then 40, no IP address. Okay, and then we go to interface 01. Sorry, I forgot. IP address. Okay, and then 40. Okay, sorry, I forgot to add the IP, and that's my apologize. Wait, why? Oh yeah, I forgot to add the IP address again. Oh my god, ya Allah. Allah. Interface IP 0/1.30. Interface IP, sorry. FA is it? Okay. IP address is okay. Dan okay, bismillah. Okay. Nice. Okay, done. And then we go to router 50, I guess. Router 50 done. Oh, we close this is first. Okay, done. For this 60 done, and then this is done, and done. Okay, okay, we go to this. Done. Okay, nice. Done. 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 Okay. And then and then we configure the IGRP router to router. We go core router to router AGRP 10, right? The where's the GRP? Yeah, 10. Okay. Network is okay 255.255.255.0. Okay, and then 20, 30, 40, and then I'll go to this is sorry, forgot. IDN. Network is 70 to 000255. Okay. $24. Okay. Now we can see this is the our switch connected our agency with router. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. Auto summary. Okay. Okay. Neighbor. Okay. Okay. And then wait. This is for router one. For router one, wait. I make the note because I am very sorry. Sorry. Very busy. Yeah. Router one. Okay, router one enable configure terminal and then hostname core router one. Okay. To that we add the IP address. IP address. Okay, IP address. Interface serial. Oh yeah, enable secret. I forgot. Enable secret. Cisco interface serial 1 2 and then no shutdown and then sorry, so 1 2 3 go to up. No, don't worry. Okay, 252 and then 0 1 0 no shutdown and then 1. Okay, and then okay, no shutdown 1 serial and no shutdown, now shutdown, and then the IP address 5. Okay, and then I have 3. Now shutdown, and then 13. Okay, next to AGRP. Next to the AGRP, router AGRP, router AGRP 10. Network is 10, 10, 10, 0. Okay, and then for auto summary, and then router SPF 1. Okay, and then the network 8, area 0, area backbone. Okay, and then 12, and because this router is between AGRP and OSPF, this is the bridge, and we must add the redistribute. Okay, redistribute AGRP 10 subnets. Exit, and router AGRP 10, AGRP 10, and then redistribute OSPF 1 metric 1 1 1 1. Okay, router 1, router 4, router 1 done, and then router 4 sorry. Okay, we go to router 5 first, because router 5 enable, configure terminal, hostname, core, router 5, enable secret scope. Okay, core 5 score router 5. Okay, interface serial 1 Z0 now shutdown, and then now shut. IP address is 14, 14, yeah, 14, and 255 255 255 252. Okay, and then we go to serial first Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown. Okay, after that IP address is 21. Okay, and router SPF, because this is the router SPF. So SPF 1, router SPF 1, networknya network 10 20 10 10 10 20 0 0 0 3 area backbone. Okay, and then the 12 area backbone. Okay. Then we go to the router forwards. And config host core router for enable secret Cisco. Okay. Router for interface is serial C1 0, no shutdown, and then IP address 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 255 255 252. Okay, after that Ethernet 0 0/0, no shutdown. After that, after no shutdown, IP address 10 10 10 17 255 255 252 252. Okay, the router SPF. Router SPF 1, network is 10 10 10 16. The wildcard 3 area backbone, and then 38. Okay, done. Agency. Okay, we go last is we go to not last. No, not last. Okay, switch to core, switch to first. Okay, enable Cisco, configure terminal, and then we go to interface FA 0/1, and no switch port, IP address 0/1 10 10 10 18 255 255 252. Okay, and then go to Flash Ethernet 2. No switch port. IP address is 22. Okay, 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 and then router OSPF. Router OSPF 1. Network. Wildcard. Area backbone. Okay. We add all the network to this switch. 16 and 20. 20, yeah, 20. Okay. Okay, after that, access list. Okay. We add the IP address first for this server, DNS server. Okay. 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 Done. And then the web server. Okay, done. And then we go to services, DNS on, Agona course, course.com. Okay, agunacourse.com. The address is like this: 3 add, and then cname www.agunacourse.com and agunacourse.com. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, after that we go to services, http. Wait. Welcome to agunacourse.com. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we go to access list, right? The access list. My god, the access list. Okay, go. IP access list. Extended. Block. HTTP. Okay. Deny. TCP. Any. Okay, this is the distance address, and then wildcard. Permit IP any N9, then exit, interface VLAN 100, IP access group block HTTP out. Okay. Okay, and then we check command prompt ping agunacourse.com. Okay. Oh wait. agunacourse.com. Okay. Wait. Because this is a HTTP, it must be there's a request timeout. Wait. Okay. Wait a minute. agunacourse.com. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to add the IP address in LAN. Okay, we see, and then I don't know why, but wait, let's see the result. The result 99% incorrect. Trunk VLAN 5. Oh, trunk in fast Ethernet in switch 4 trunk VLANs. Oh, switch 4 trunk VLANs. Switch port trunk VLANs incorrect. Switch 4. This is uh, EN Cisco. interface fa0/1 trunk allowed 50 allowed VLAN 50 and 60. Okay, completion is 100. Yeah, yay. Okay, that's all from me. Maybe thank you for watching, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.